guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we have been on holiday for the past week and I want to come home and totally reset and organize. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move all of the photos from our holiday onto my external hard drive, which you can see here. This is something that I always do after a holiday just to make sure that the photos are safe. So don't you pay them any mind. So I just moved them from my phone onto the hard drive, and then I know that they're on there and I don't need to worry about them getting lost or deleted. Slow down. The next thing I want to do is update our calendar. While we were away, it went into a new month, so I need to rub all of this off and update it for June. So I'm just going to write the month at the top, and I'm going to fill in all the days and all of the important dates which we need to remember this month. This calendar is actually an Amazon find. I will link it in the description box below. It is such a highly used item in our home, something essential that I just couldn't be without. It helps me feel really organized. So I'm just going to write everything down and get ready for the month ahead. Where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now. So give it all you got. Next thing I'm going to do is sort out my beach bag, which I've been using every day on holiday. I'm going to empty it out and give it a clean. So it's full of lots of baby toys. As you can see, I'm going to take all of these out, rinse all the sand off them and give them back to Cooper. It's also full of lots of food and snacks that we've just been having throughout the week. So I'm going to take all of that out as well. And our passports, of course, I'll put them away safely. And once the bag is empty, I will tip it inside out and give it a good clean, making sure that it is sand free. So take it all, give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll have you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn, let your colors. Okay, on to the washing now, and I'm going to go through the boys' bags first. I'm going to take out all of the clothes and I'm going to organise into what is dirty, what is clean, and what is light and will have to be washed on a separate occasion. So I'm just going to go through both of the boys' luggage and sort all of their washing out first. So here, as you can see, I have a pile of to be washed, I have a pile of lights, and I have a pile of clean clothes that can be put back away. So I'm going to take this huge pile of washing downstairs, ready to be washed. There's probably about 2 or 3 loads worth in this basket here, plus mine and Clint's suitcases as well. But I'm going to put on the first load, so at least I've made a good start. About you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared. I'm going to get myself a laundry detergent tab and some lovely softener so it all smells great and fresh and gets rid of all of that horrible stale suitcase smell that you get after traveling. Okay, the next thing I did was a food shop. I wanted to restock the fridge for obvious reasons, so I got all the essentials in, like fruit and drinks and milk and all those things that you just need in a family home, but when you come back from a holiday, they are not there. So I had fun restocking my fridge. Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew
knew I would die for you. One of us, one of us.
It's been a couple of hours now, so I'm just going to sit down and have a break, have some lunch and have a drink and take 5 minutes. Then it's time to clean the buggy. The buggy has got so filthy this week with going to the beach and sun cream and ice creams and all of those things. So I'm going to completely take the cover off my Joy Versatrax. I didn't actually know that you could do this until I had a little play around with it, but it was really simple to do. I just completely removed all of the covers and they were easily put into the washing machine, ready to be completely cleaned and all the marks removed, much better than I could ever do by hand. So if you have a Joy pushchair like mine, it is worth looking if you can remove all your covers like this.
$1,000,000 wearing that dress
I then used my handheld vacuum to just go over all of the shell of the buggy to get all of the bits of sand and dirt out from beneath, especially in the basket below that was so full of crumbs and sand, and I managed to get it all out.
Tomorrow's let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's the happy?
So one load of washing is now finished, which means I can empty the tumble dryer, put the first load away. I'm going to separate into what needs to be hung dry and what can be tumble dried, and then that will leave the washing machine empty, ready to clean the lining of my buggy.
All your sorrows let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard.
I always love to put a Lenore dryer sheet into the tumble dryer as well, just to make sure that everything smells extra fresh.
We are all about the good vibes. We are all about
everything that can't go into the tumble dryer will go onto my drying rack here. I will link this drying rack in my description box, as I always get so many questions about it. So I'm just going to hang up all of the items that need to be hung to dry.
I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes.
And now that the washing machine is empty, I can pop all of my buggy bits in here, ready to be gently washed in the washing machine. I'm going to put a little bit of stain remover in there with it and some scent boosters as well, just to make sure it smells really great and fresh.
We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes.
I made sure to put it on a nice gentle setting so I know I wasn't going to damage anything. And the last thing I want to do today is cook a wholesome dinner. We eat what we like when we're on holiday. So the boys pretty much lived off chips, chicken nuggets and ice cream, but that is fine because we were on holiday and that's what holidays are about. But when we come home, I just like to make sure that they have a nice meal to get them back on track. So I'm just making some paella for us to have for dinner, which is a little ironic seeing as we've just been to Spain. But that is the end of my day, organizing and resetting the house. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you lovely people in my next video.
On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.